on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
What up, y'all? I'm not gonna go clickbait y'all. I'm not gonna come and tell y'all that I bought something. I did that. I did that to y'all one time, but this is something we do have at the shop today to work on. It is a beautiful McLaren, man. If y'all don't know what makes these cars so special, just pay attention to the details of the brakes and everything else that goes. That's real carbon fiber. There's no plastics, none of that. This is a real car, y'all. And this is a McLaren. What trim level is this one, Mike? What level is this one? The 550 or the 750? 570F. Look at the 570F McLaren. It came in to get some work, but this is how I get welcome to the shop, y'all. I walk in today, and this is how I get welcomed. It is a beautiful thing, man. But we're gonna go inside the shop now and start this day, y'all. I'm gonna start this day by telling y'all thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for the support. Man, I'm just trying to do my best to get y'all some content out there and give y'all some dedicated time. It gets rough with the shop and the phone calls. My wife is on board with me now, helping me get the shop back in order. For you guys that don't know or just started following not too long ago, last year was a journey, one of the hardest journeys I think I've ever been through in my life. Taught me a lot. Made a lot of dumb decisions, man, with the stresses and just not thinking clearly with my wife's surgery. She almost passed on me in December, and we went through a lot of stuff that year, but that's all behind us now. She's with us now. We're trying to regroup and correct all the errors and fix everything to be that way that it's supposed to be, man. So right now, I'm gonna go get into the shop. Let's see what we got to work on or what we got going on and get it moving, y'all. Stay tuned.
Text on it. So
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
So guys, the McLaren welcomed us in. We got a customer came in here today, man. Tell everybody what's your name. Don't hide from the camera. Get over here. What's your name for the camera today?
Tony.
Tony. Go, Tony, I got a question. How old are you?
70.
Do you agree that this is your midlife crisis?
It is.
It is your midlife crisis.
It
You
is.
agree with that? Cause how old are you?
It's not. I'm 68. Fixing to be 68, and no, it's.
Man, you look like you're 80
It's
though.
on my bucket list.
You look like you're 80.
No.
You look older. I'm playing, man. I'm playing.
I won't be
Don't
back.
let him do that to you.
Baby, you don't look like you're in your 40s either.
No, I'm 25.
Man, why you gotta give her that compliment, make her feel all good, man? Like, damn.
Now you. I'm not gonna say how old you look.
I wish. You see that, baby?
18.
18.
Damn, let me think about this. Hold on. Look at me in the camera. I don't know if you look 18. I don't know. I got to think about this. But anyway, y'all. So Mr. Tony came in. He has a beautiful, you have a Charger, right?
Charger.
You bought a Charger. How long ago you bought it?
Back Tuesday.
Back on Tuesday. So what is your number one fear about owning this car right now?
Getting it stolen.
Getting it stolen. And that is the pandemic we deal with today. What you come in for the shop for? Get it secured.
Get it secured.
So Mr. Tony going to be getting his car secured, y'all. Let me put this camera back here. So Mr. Tony getting his car secured. We're going to be doing a CompuStar with the drone, our famous package we have. I can't tell you guys how grateful we are that we have these packages done because we get a lot of calls, Tony. I'm going to go back to you on the camera. We get a lot of calls of people who actually thank me. Jeff, I thank this because I parked in the mall. They broke my grass. They couldn't steal my car. Jeff, I was in the apartment with my girlfriend. They couldn't steal my car. I get these calls a lot. And to me, that's an accomplishment because the one thing is I know that through the years you worked your butt off to have everything you own. Yeah. And to have somebody just take your car over and part it out or abuse the car for a while, it sucks. So to be able to do this for you guys, it's a privilege to me. The only thing I'm going to tell you, when we're done with the car, if you're ever driving this car, you see any smoke come out the dash, get out and grab your cell phone. Your car might be on fire. That's all I'm going to tell you before we get installed, okay? And you're on camera, so you acknowledge that we warned you about this, right? Okay, because we're not responsible for fire hazards. I'm playing, y'all. We're going to get Mr. Tony's car in the shop, man, and get this going, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, so the security system for these young fellas and his family here is done. He's over there flirting with my wife. Look at him. Watch. Babe, he's flirting with you. I got you. I'm gonna show your wife. You're flirting with my wife.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my dog.
Come around.
Oh, that's what we're talking about, man. And then this young guy here came in looking like a pimp, man. Like what are you all jinged out, man? Like the gold watch, the chain, everything here, man. We got a lot of people walking the King. Mommy, King needs to go behind the counter, Eddie. Because people don't like dogs. King, it's time for you to come. King, come on. Go, mommy.
He's going to go.
Oh, okay. So now we're going to do some testing on your car.
Okay.
So now I got the unit here. I'm going to go ahead and arm the bad boy.
Okay.
So she's locked.
She's locked right
She's locked right now. Pretend you're going to go steal your car, drive it like you normally do. Like pretend you're a thief and I cloned your key.
I need to do what now?
Just pretend like you're stealing your car. Pretend I went to the dealership, I got a copy of your key, and I came to steal your car. Let's see what happens.
Okay, let's see. I need to
You don't have to touch nothing on the drone. We're just doing a test right now to make sure the drone is...
unlock it right here.
Go ahead. You steal the car.
Open it up.
Start the car. Go start the car. Your phone's look, your phone's going off. You hear it?
Yeah, I do.
That's telling you that now you're gonna check that out.
Nothing.
Your car's disabled.
Yeah.
So now let's go to the remote control.
Okay.
You need to one time to shut off the remote control and the unit, but it's still locked.
Okay.
One more time. 2. She's now unlocked. Now start the car.
Okay.
So now you know your kill switch is active. That means whenever the unit is on, you ain't stealing this car. Okay. Now let's go to turn off the vehicle. Let's show you a couple of the other features you do have in the car. In fact, let me see if I could. This is your phone. I'm gonna try to trick this system around here.
Okay.
So let me see if I got anything I could use to push this stuff around.
Okay, the key, y'all.
Faraday. What you need?
Yeah, my,
Any
oh,
of the-
you got them both right here.
Yes.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trick the system. It's gonna think that the door is closed. And then we're gonna go ahead and arm the security system.
Arm it would be on this right
Yeah,
here.
you can use this or the phone, but we're gonna show you here's a lock.
Which one you push? The second
Right there,
one?
lock.
Okay, lock.
Unlock, trunk.
Okay.
Remote start. But right now she's locked, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say somebody came here and they wanted to steal in your trunk. Your phone's going off,
Okay.
telling your trunk is open, and your phone's telling you that your trunk been open. You got everything going on with her. One time, shuts it off, and then 2 more times to disarm it. 1, 2. You get a confirmation. Well, it's 2-way. 1, 2. She give you. She show your trunk there.
Yeah.
1, 2. Now she's back to normal.
Okay.
So one time shuts it up from beeping and the car going off. Exit scenario. You're in the park with the family, the grandkids. They're playing the ball, the bouncing ball hit it. You started it going off. You know it wasn't a real alarm. You hit it one time. It'll shut off the alarm from sounding, but it'll keep it armed. The other 2 times it say, no, everything's okay, baby. It's okay. And then you can disarm it.
Now when it disarms, it goes like beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. And then the beep, 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 there's a 3 chirp, a 4 chirp, a 5 chirp, a 6. There's different chirps. The reason the chirps are is you'll get to learn them. 3 chirps is that somebody messed with your trunk. 2 chirp means that somebody messed with your door. 4 chirp could be, it'll tell you by confirmation, but this tells you everything anyway, because there's no need for that. Then we're gonna do now the shock. You got a shock glass and tilt. Any kind of striking of the vehicle, if you arm it real quick,
One time.
armed. She's good. And disarm is normally 1 time too. But whenever it's going off, so it's arm is 1 time and unlock is 1 time.
Okay.
It's only when you're dealing with the security going off that you have to hit it 1 time to shut up, and then the other 2 times to confirm is you. You got it.
But you didn't hold it down the second time.
No, it's a 2-way, so it's not just a quick press. It's more like boom, boom, like a little,
Okay.
like you hold it for a second so it communicates.
Okay.
Now that they're armed, this is the same things. Is she armed right now? Let's see, lock. Okay, so now let's say the vehicle parked in a parking lot and somebody came and they wanted to break a glass or steal something in the car, right? When the collection hit the car, when she goes off, you should be getting alert. Well, actually, I didn't give it 30 seconds. Hold on, y'all. That was my failure. Whenever you arm it, it's 30 seconds for it to arm. Once it's armed, then shock, tilt, and glass. I'm going to show the door trigger. Go ahead and arm it. Give it a few seconds to arm up. Make sure that she's all good. Yeah, the sun's bright today, y'all. I love it.
I know it is.
It's a beautiful day to drive. I wish I wasn't here today. Tomorrow, that event y'all saw is here tomorrow at the Motorplex.
Oh, is it?
That same event was last year. They do it every year. It's a YouTuber
Are you
call.
gonna be there?
They want me to go. I don't know because I got the shop. It's been busy. I kind of rather make money than kind of go play around, to be honest with you, especially after last year, having a rough year with my wife being down and everything. She almost died on me. I don't know if y'all knew this. Yeah, last December, her colon perforated. Her blood became septic. She was hospitalized for 19 days. They put a bag on the side of her. She just got out of that second surgery now, so she's on a recuperating side. I'm glad she's better too, because when mama ain't happy,
Yeah, Daddy ain't happy.
ain't nobody happy.
I know what you're talking
But let's
about.
just say that they came and they stretched through the car.
Okay.
Boom.
Hit once.
No, look, it's telling you right there. You see the door?
Door open.
Now, 1 time to shut up the alarm. Gonna shut it up and disarm the. It's not disarmed though. You see that?
Yeah.
Now hit it 1 more time. Now she's disarmed.
Okay.
Now the alarm is armed and disarmed. Because the controller tells you, and your phone does the same thing. It tells you what the status is of everything that's going on.
Okay.
So now you want to remote start it. Press and hold the button here. She'll beep and give you a confirmation. I got the door open. I shouldn't have had the door
You
open.
mean close it?
Yeah, we gotta close it.
Okay.
Let me do this.
It has to be closed.
Yes. Okay. I got the hazards on? I do. So if I'm about to find out, because there's a new thing that Dodge is doing. They're trying to block out keys from being programmed to cars. You know that update? I'll tell you if this car has it or not right now. She does have the security lock out. So when they did, they lock out the gateway. She doesn't. Okay, because this car doesn't have the gateway lock. You know what the gateway lock is? Dodge, with these cars being stolen so much, they put a thing called a gateway lock. It stops the car from being programmed, because that's how they're coming and stealing these cars a lot. When it happens, whenever they do that, it doesn't let the CompuStart remote start, because they think it's a theft and it locks out the system.
So how good is our system?
I could have swore they told me you're supposed to have that on there. Or I think it read on the thing some type of alarm locking system or something.
Well, the alarm locking system, there's 3 that they offer. One is a Uconnect, one is another device they put in the cars, and then one is actually a lockout to the PCM of the PCM of the car. It doesn't have it, otherwise the car would not have started right
We
now.
have a tracker on it.
It does have a tracker, but the worst thing is, let me turn this on. It doesn't matter. I just walked through this whole unit. You can have all the questions. Now, I am busy, as you see, but if you call me,
You'll call me back.
my
sooner or
wife,
later.
I will. My wife will give me the message. As you see, she hounds me down all day. I will get to you within the next 15, 20 minutes if you have a question. That's not a problem at all.
I appreciate
But
it.
I'm grateful that she's secure. What y'all want to tell the camera today,
Hook 'em
man?
horns. Hook 'em horns.
Oh, man. What does that mean?
Hook 'em
Texas
horns.
Longhorns.
Texas
Texas Longhorns, man. 'Cause who's the opposite of the Longhorns?
Oklahoma.
Okay, because the OU, so I'm going to go OU just to mess with that. Not playing, y'all. I'm going to end this
He's not
video.
right. He's not right.
Why am I not right? You want to know what's crazy? I never watched football.
No.
I started watching football 2 years ago. It caught my interest. I actually watch the games now. I've been to 2 college games. I got people that come in from TCU. I got players from TCU. I've gone there to go see them. Interesting game. Like it's an interesting game. The NFL, I don't have a team yet. I'm in
Cowboys.
Dallas.
Cowboys, my team.
Man, I'm gonna tell y'all. Let's get into it. I want to support the boys, and it's not because of winning or losing, but I just don't feel that they've earned my loyalty yet. Like when I feel that I'm bad luck to them. Because when I watch their games, they lose, and when I don't watch, they win. So I told my wife, I might as well not watch because they could win.
Watching them, man. If you start getting your season tickets, you might change their life.
Man, I'm gonna tell you, I've been to a couple games too. I got customers that they have all these booths, and I've gone. It's a cool experience, and the Rangers too. But I want to support the boys. I do, and I know that I'm from New York, and y'all Yankees and whatever, and the Giants. But I'm in Texas. I'm a Texan now.
Just give you a quick story. We've always been Cowboy fans, but we're really from Mount Vernon, Texas, where Dandy Don Meredith, the first quarterback of the Cowboys, was from. That's where he grew up. You don't know none of that. That's way before your time. But we've been a Cowboy fan ever since.
You've been a
Dandy
fan
Don
forever.
played
You're a
for the
diehard Cowboy fan.
Yes.
So what about them boys?
How about them? How about them boys? How about them Cowboys?
Oh, you know what? Stay tuned, man. We're gonna end this video today. Always telling y'all, thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.